Hello everyone, I'm Nisha and in this session we are going to learn why use master pages in ASP.NET. It is very common for a website to have a consistent look and behavior across all the pages in a web application. It is common for a website to have a website header, some kind of navigation menu, a footer and a main section that will change page to page. We can do this thing without using master pages. So here I'm going to explain you how to achieve the same template without using any master page, and then we will discover that what's the drawback of this approach. So move to the Visual Studio. Here I have used a simple table tag, and in table tag I have three TRs that will create the three rows. In the first TR I have created a one TD that will create a single column, and now I want the width of the TD should span across the width of 2 TD. So to achieve this we use a call span and its value set to true. Apart from that I use a simple style that will set the width, height, background color and text of my TD. And inside that TD I have created a simple H1 heading that will print the website header as a heading. Move to the second TR. In the second TR I have declared 2 TD. The first TD on the leftmost side will create a menu and the second TD will create a section that will change to page. Move to the third TR. In the third TR again I use the call span. In this TR I also need to create a single column that will work as a website footer. Now run this application. As you can see here I have created a same layout which I had discussed you in a PPT slide. A website header, a menu, a website footer, and this section will be changed page to page. So we have achieved the same without using any master pages. So what's the drawback of this approach? The first drawback of this approach is that we need to copy and paste the required HTML across all the pages in the application. What it means? Now move to Visual Studio. For an example, I want the same layout to be displayed on a default to .aspx. In that case, what I need to do? I need to copy the whole HTML, means table tag, into default to.aspx. And in the same manner, if I want the same code on default 3.aspx and so on, I need to copy and paste the required HTML to all the pages on which I want the same layout. So we have a lot of duplicate HTML on every page. And second disadvantage of this approach, if we have to do some changes in the layout, then we have to make the changes in all the pages, which is a time consuming and error prone. So the best approach to have a consistent look and feel across all the pages in web application is master page. We will learn about master pages in our next video. This is all for today. Thank you so much for listening.